You are trying to replace the ear pads on your Corsair HS headset. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The headset that I have right here is the Corsair HS60, and the ear pads that I'm about to show you are going to fit several other Corsair HS models. For the full list, you will see it on the screen right now. Let's start the video. Alright, let's start. This is the Corsair HS60, and the ear pads I'm about to show you today is going to be the same process for the other HS models that I've told you. So for this video, you will need a butter knife. Get a non-sharp, non-serrated butter knife. And I will warn you, this is going to be a little annoying because the mechanism for installing this ear pad is not the best. Corsair did not really do a good job with this one. So it might get a little bit tricky, or it might work in the first 2 minutes. That's how unreliable the mechanism is. So to remove the ear pad, you are going to shove the butter knife in between the ear pad and the plastic. You will see a little gap, and then you will have to apply some pressure to pry it. You will hear a click. That means it's getting out of place. You'll need to do it maybe 2 or 3 times, and then it's easily removable. And we'll do the same thing here. All right, so one thing you should know about the Corsair HS60 ear pads or the other models, they are interchangeable. You can do the left or on the right and the right on the left. However, do remember that there is a top and the bottom. The seam marks the bottom. Now, the way that these ear pads install is you can't really see it from the ring right here, but once you look in the ring, just look for underneath. You will see some indentations, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 indentations that they basically latch onto. If you look closely on the headset right here on the ear cup, there are hooks, the same corresponding hooks around the ear cup. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. The reason why it's tricky is because the hooks are not very big and the indentations are not very clear. So you really have to align it correctly in order to make it work. So today's video, I'm going to be using our Wicked Cushions ear pads. If you want to hear more about our Wicked Cushions ear pads, just stay to the end of this video and I'll show you. I'm going to be using our 90s black, and on the other side I'll use our black. All right, so again, seam marks the bottom. Now you really want to align the indentations to the hooks. All right, so once you align it, I suggest starting with the top one. You're simply going to hold it, and then you're going to try and get them to click inside the hooks. Now this is where it gets a little tricky, because some will go in and some won't. All right, I see a little gap here. It means it's not fully in. All right, just had to wiggle it a little bit and then press it more. Just check that everything is in and there's not a really big noticeable gap. Oh, here is another one. And they are fully in. Now we'll move on to this other side. Again, seam is going to be at the bottom. You want to align it the best way you can with the ridge right here to the hook on the top. And then we got a bunch of good clicks right here. It looks like a bunch of them went in place. And then this one seems to have a gap. I'm just gonna be pushing it. So the way you wanna get the clicks in is not by pushing the ear pad like this, because this is not going to work. You want to put your fingers right here and then some sort of like pull it. You're going to pull it to the opposite side and press it from here. See how I'm doing it with my fingers? I'm pressing it from here, not from here. That will let you also kind of feel the hooks. That's pretty much it, and that's all you need to do. Now, for our Wicked Cushions ear pads, I'll show you our red camo design as well, compared to the original. So the original on the side, red camo on the left. As you can see, the ear opening is slightly bigger on our cushions. They are slightly thicker, as you can see. They have air weave on top, cooling gel at the top, and also cooling gel on the inside. And of course, the inside and the outside is made out of PU leather, and they come in awesome designs, and they are amazing, if I might be objective, which I'm not. If you want to give them a try, simply click the link in the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.